Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I changed plain silver flatware into copper flatware, and it is exactly what I needed for my fall tablescape. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned, it's coming up next. I got this crazy idea while I was setting up a tablescape, and I didn't have any copper flatware. So I went to Walmart, and they have this 4-pack of spoons, forks, knives for 88 cents. And I thought, well, I'm not going to lose that much to give it a shot and see if it works. So, what you'll need for this is your flatware, painter's tape and scissors, copper paint, and Krylon's triple thick clear glaze. And the first thing I'm going to do is use painter's tape to mark off where I want it painted. And this is a little design that goes up to here, so I'm going to be taping from here up. And we'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, I got them all wrapped, and I sealed it in as best I could. The spoons were by far the hardest. There are a lot of layers of tape on this. I pressed on the edges real tight, and hopefully I won't get any paint up in there. And the next thing I'm going to do is take this outside, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of the copper paint, and then 2 coats of the triple thick clear, and we'll see how this turns out. I already know that this is not something that's going to be able to be put in a dishwasher. This is going to have to be hand washed like you would fine china or crystal. If it turns out the way I want it to, my tablescape will be just the way I want it. And we'll be back. Now, looking at this, it looks like it may need 3 coats, but we'll see. Okay, this is after 3 coats. And the next time I do something like this, I'm going to use an SOS pad on it to give it a little more tooth, because that one got a little messed up. But live and learn. Okay, now I'm going to turn them all over and do the other side. It's actually easier to grab these by the tape, and that way you're not putting any fingerprints on it if it is just a little damp. Okay, we'll get started with the back. Okay, I put 1 coat going this way and 1 coat going this way, and I'm counting that as 1 coat. And giving the back a coat of the triple thick clear glaze. And once that dries, I'll give it a 2nd coat and flip them over and do 2 coats on the front. Fingers crossed. Okay, 2nd coat's done on the back. nice and shiny. So I'm going to turn them over and do the same thing on the other side. And let's hope these turn out the way I want them to. And the first coat's done and dry. So I'm going to put the second coat on. And that should be done. Okay, the second coat is dry. And it is so shiny. Okay, now I get to remove all of this, which I know is going to take a while. So we'll be back when I'm done with that. Now, I like the way they turned out. And they are exactly what I need for my tablescape, which will be in another post. And I definitely know that when I wash these, I'm going to have to hand wash them with something soft. But yeah, I like them. Now I know very inexpensively that I can change flatware to match whatever tablescape I'm doing. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more posts. Subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.